Ever wondered if those pricey microcurrent devices actually live up to the hype? Can they really tone your face like they promise? Or are they just another overhyped gadget? In today's video, we're putting the top 5 microcurrent machines under the spotlight to uncover their real strengths and honest drawbacks. Stick around, there's a lot you'll want to know. And don't forget to check the description for detailed product links and exclusive discounts. Let's dive in. Coming in at number 5, we have the TheraFace Pro facial device, a multifunctional powerhouse. It combines microcurrent technology with percussive therapy and LED light treatments, offering a versatile toolkit for muscle relaxation, especially around the jaw and neck. If you've ever struggled with jaw tension or found it hard to target those tricky neck areas, this device feels like a breath of fresh air. But there's a catch. While the microcurrent feature does its job, it's not exactly revolutionary. Here's where the TheraFace Pro stumbles. The small treatment head means sessions take longer than expected, and you'll find yourself charging the device more often than you'd like. Plus, its LED therapy, though a nice touch, doesn't pack the punch of dedicated light therapy tools. It's one of those situations where you might wonder if the premium price tag is really justified. Now, the build quality is solid. It feels premium in hand, and the interface is super intuitive, so getting started is a breeze. But there's a downside. The conductive gel runs out faster than you'd think, which adds to your ongoing costs. Another thing to keep in mind, this device works best with consistent use. If you're someone who struggles to stick to a routine, the short battery life could throw off your progress. And let's not forget, there's a bit of a learning curve when it comes to switching attachments. It's not as seamless as advertised. Next up, at number 4, we have the Healy Face Renovation device, a no-nonsense option for microcurrent therapy. Curious about whether it delivers professional results at home? Let's break it down. This device keeps it simple, offering straightforward microcurrent therapy with multiple power settings, so you can adjust it to suit your skin's needs. And the helium conductive gel? It's a standout. It hydrates beautifully and even packs in some skin-loving ingredients. Now, let's be real. Not everyone will love the gel's scent, and you'll need to restock it more often than you might like. Plus, while the wireless design sounds convenient, having to replace batteries regularly can feel like more work than expected. The compact size makes this device a great travel companion, but the lightweight plastic construction might not feel as luxe as some competitors. And results? They're there, but they take time. For optimal lifting and toning, consistency is key, and the manual could do a better job guiding you through the process. It's worth noting that the device delivers on its promise for basic toning and lifting. However, don't expect salon-level power. It's simply not built for that. Also, as the batteries drain, the power output can dip, which might affect your treatment's consistency. At number 3, we have the FOREO Bear, a device that merges microcurrent technology with T-sonic pulsations for a unique, effective treatment. Its smart design is truly thoughtful, featuring an anti-shock system to keep the experience smooth and comfortable, even if you're a beginner. What's really exciting? You'll start seeing results quickly, within just a week. Many users notice their skin feeling firmer and more lifted. It's compact, fits perfectly in your hand, and can easily get to those tricky spots around your eyes and nose. But let's keep it real. There are a few things to consider. Some users have mentioned the app. While it's innovative, it can sometimes drop the connection during treatments. And while the design is sleek, the metal conductors can feel a bit chilly when you first start using them. Now, let's talk about the build quality. It's solid, and you can definitely feel you're getting your money's worth. That said, the learning curve might be a little frustrating for beginners, so be prepared for some trial and error. As for the microcurrent intensity, it's on the milder side compared to professional treatments, which might be a good thing if you have sensitive skin. A couple of things to keep in mind. The battery life isn't the longest, so you'll need to recharge it between sessions. Also, if you don't use enough gel, those spherical heads might slip a bit during use. And for those who prefer a more straightforward experience, the app dependency could be a bit of a hassle. In second place, we have the Solawave Radiant Renewal Wand, a compact, user-friendly device that's all about convenience. What makes it stand out? The addition of galvanic current technology, which helps your skincare products absorb better, taking your routine to the next level. Now, if you're always on the go, you'll love the 3-minute treatment time. It's perfect for busy users. But while quick, this short treatment duration might not give dramatic results right away. The warm massage feels great and does help with absorption, but don't expect it to work wonders for deep muscle toning. Another plus? It's water resistant, making it more durable. But here's a heads up. The magnetic charging port can sometimes misalign, which can be a little frustrating. On the bright side, the travel case makes it super easy to protect and take the device with you on the go. When it comes to results, patience is key. You won't see major changes overnight. Instead, expect subtle improvements over the course of a few weeks. The slender design is perfect for targeting specific areas, but if you're doing a full face treatment, it may take a bit longer. A couple of things to keep in mind. The device takes a gentle approach, so you'll need to use it regularly to see noticeable results. If you're after a more intense treatment, you might find the warmth function a bit too mild, and the red light therapy might not be as strong as more specialized tools. At the top spot, we have the NuFACE Trinity, a device that truly delivers on its promises with consistent performance and proven results. What sets it apart? Not only does it have clinical backing, but it's also built on 5 years of market reliability. Plus, the ergonomic design ensures that professional-grade microcurrents hit precisely where they're needed. But what's really impressive about the Trinity is its balanced power output. It's strong enough to give you visible results, yet gentle enough for regular use without overwhelming your skin. And that gel primer, while a bit pricey to replace, works like a charm, conducting the current perfectly without irritating even the most sensitive skin. Here's where the commitment comes in. You'll need 5-minute sessions, 5 days a week, to see those changes. It's not instant, but users who stick to the routine report noticeable improvements in facial contours and skin firmness. And the battery life? It's solid, easily supporting multiple treatments before needing a charge. There's a bit of a learning curve with the NuFACE Trinity, but once you get the hang of it, the results are worth it. The initial investment might feel steep, especially with ongoing gel costs, but the longevity and consistent performance are absolutely worth it for those dedicated to their skincare routine. A few things to keep in mind. Success depends on using it correctly and regularly. Those gel primer costs can add up over time, and some users find the beeping tones during treatment a little annoying. Also, results vary depending on your skin type and age. My advice? Start with the lower intensity settings and gradually increase them as you get more comfortable. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more honest reviews.